All right, guys, today we're at the Matthews Bridge in Arlington, which is Jacksonville. It is ripping today. I mean, look at the water. We're on the SUP, fully loaded, and I gotta be honest with you, man, I didn't think it was gonna blow this bad, but whatever. So today we are kind of fully loaded, external gas tank, bait, you name it, we got it. Gonna run inland, see if I can try to find some trout or some redfish, but we're getting 15+ mile-an-hour winds here, so I cannot. It's gonna bridge fish for some sheephead. Well, it's not happening. Even though this boat's light, my anchor's just too small. So I don't know if you guys can see it today. We got white caps in here. Well, maybe not true white caps, but you know, I'm getting 1 to 2 sporadically. As you can see, I'm busting through them. I'm not going fast. That was a nice one. The wind's howling. So we're gonna have to make a decision here. As you can see, it is getting rough. I tell you, I don't hesitate in the SUP. It's just I feel like, man, it's gonna be a waste. I need to go find some shelter, some flat water, or some inside water for flounder or something. I mean, look at those trees. I don't feel the least bit unsafe in this at all. Oh man, it's really picking up now. But it's just gonna be battling the elements the whole time. So I'm gonna see if I can push through this, get up on the flat water. The problem is we're open territory right now, so we're gonna see what we can do. But you can see I can barely move. But the SUP is a stud nonetheless. It just blows right through it. Yeah, what's nice, the deck does wash down. I did pick up a cast net on the bottom with the anchor. Look at that, man. Whoa. Yeah, so let me see if I can get past this and not scrap this area, so we'll see. Wow. All right, so I got the speedometer going here, so let me put in my let me mount this back up here real quick. All right, so our plan is I'm moving forward on this, so we're gonna see if we can get in the back country. It's rough. Hold the GoPro a little higher because we're getting a lot of splash, but it is what it is. It's calming down back here, so once I round this bend, I'll punch it. There. We're busting through it. That little Honda does not joke around, man. Rough seas or not, it's going. It's like a Boston Whaler. So the SUP handles really well. I will say this, I had a boater earlier who was an asshole and decided to just get real close to me and throw a big wake. And I probably had at least a 2-footer. I had to go right through it, there was no choice. And the deck, although it gets swamped, it drains very quickly. So that's where I want to go up there. And then I'll just coast home the current, but we are in a little better water now. I have no idea how fast we're going because it's in my pocket. There's the JU Row team. Okay, we're all in. motor to do that. All right. I'll get spun around here in a second. I already know that. Max speed 6.1. That's pretty cool. I doubt that though. It's probably like 5.1. Yeah, so max speed says 6.1, but that usually means it's coming off of a wave. I don't know. Hard to say because I got 6.3 out of this before and 6.7 with current, so I don't know. Might be true. I'll have to do it on flat water. There's no way around it. Get it. So if you look at that chop, the wind's blowing probably well over 15 now. So I'm just cruising over the top of them. They're really close together, the tops. I mean, just a bad day to try to maintain your craft when it comes to the anchors. So I'm gonna go up on the beach up here and just kind of push it on the beach and just fish off the beach. Water is really dirty right now. But the SUP is doing great. I can't complain about her performance. I still think I take too much stuff with me. I gotta come up with another plan. I take too much stuff. Alright, hopefully that's a little better. So wind's howling here, but I found like a little really cool park here out in the island. I never saw this before. You can actually put your kayaks up, have lunch. Check this out. I mean boats too, obviously. Called Welcome to the Exchange Club Island Park. That's totally cool. Very, very cool. Never saw that before. Oh, there's kayaks back there. Very cool. Yeah, I can't stay stationary for a minute, man. It's just too windy. Currents are kicking. All right, we are stationary. I have no idea what's out here. I had to find some flat water because it's got a little too crazy back there. Cross currents were bad. Anyway, we are on the back side of this park, which is cool. Man, they got pavilions back here and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna cruise around here and probably fish the bridge. Let's see what's happening. I think I had to get out of that wind. It just got way too rough and unpleasant.